Dear students, this is Shailesh Jayda Janbandhu, Assistant Professor, Department of BCom Computer Application, GS College of Commerce, Warsaw. In last session, we discussed about the fundamental of computers, and the chapter was classification of computers. Here, classification means types of computers which are available in today's era. Computers are always with us, but different type of and shape. These shapes and types considered into three categories. That are number one, electronic principle. Second one, as per the application, and third one, that is size. So first one is electronic principle or operational purpose. Just like we have three types of electronic principle, depending on electronic principle, we have three types of computers which are used. That is analog computer, digital computer, and the hybrid one. The first one is analog computer. The analog computer are those computers which are work on measuring the inputs, just like liquid or measuring the earthquakes or any type of values which are provided by the user or any environment. This computer also work on input and output. We should firstly provide the input in the form of electrical pulses, because these principles are work on a analog, that means electronical pulses. These computers work only on the pulses which are available in the form of electrical. So the data can be transmitted electronically from one component to another, and we can give or we can provide the output also in the form of electronical pulses. Just like you see the ECG machines, these type of computers or machines are work in a analog purpose, because all the things or all the measurement are in the form of pulses. Okay, so analog computers are those computers which work on a electronical pulses. The advantage of this computer type or computer system is very low cost, because its cost is very low rather than the other computers, and disadvantage is its accuracy is very low. Therefore, the result of that computer is not as per our expectations. Number second one is digital computer, which is work on a digit or digital format pulses. It work on a pulses that is in the form of on or off, 0 and 1, wake or asleep. This type of work can be done by in the digital computers. Just like our all microcomputers or all type of computers are the digital one. Our mobile is in the form of digital computer, because it work on a pulses that is in the form of on and off, where it represent 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. 1 is indicate that it is on, and 0 indicate that it is false. Means it work on a binary digits. Binary digits can be represented in the form of 0 and 1, and that type of work or data the digital computer can be work. Third one is the hybrid computer, where the technology of analog computer and the digital one can be combined in a single computer. That type of computer is called as the hybrid computer, which work on a analog and digital also, or it accept the data in the form of analog and make output in the form of digital computer. Some situation we need that, because some data is always in the form of analog and the data can be converted into digital. That cannot be work in an analog computer and digital. Both work cannot be done in a single computer. Therefore, the system analog and digital can be combined and called that combined computer system is called as a hybrid computer system. Next one, according to the application, classification of computers according to the application. We have two types of application type computer, that is general purpose computer and a specific or special purpose computer. A general purpose computer is general or versatile computer. Any type of calculation, any type of scientific calculation, any type of conversion can be done, or any type of software can be used in a single computer, and that type of computer is called as a general purpose computer. Therefore, it is also called a personal computer as well as the personal computer as well as a versatile computer. Any type of work can be done on it, just like our micro computers or desktop computers. All type of software can be run on a desktop computers. We can print, we can input, we can take a output, we calculate it, measurement can be done into a scientific research can be done on that computer. Therefore, any type of work can be done on that computer. Therefore, it is a general purpose or versatile computer. Second one is a special purpose computer, means only done for or only create for a specific purpose only. That type of computer is called as a special purpose computer. A computer for calculating. It can work only calculations. It never be used any type of other software. Therefore, its purpose is to only to the calculate. That type of machine or that type of computer is called as a special purpose computer. A computer which is used for manufacture the product. That type of computer is used or called as a special purpose computer, means in a manufacturing ring it will be only manufacture the product, or process of manufacturing can be done on that computer system. No other work can be done on it. It is called as a special purpose computer. So electronically we have three types: analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computer. According to application, we have two types of computer: general purpose and special purpose. The most important type of classification is size, and size, according to size we have four types of computers, that is micro, mini, mainframe and supercomputer. Microcomputer, all digital computers are microcomputers, or we can call as a personal computer, because all type of work can be done on it. Its speed is very high. MIPS can be measured, or the instructions can be measured in a MIPS. Multiple instruction or millions instructions per second can be manipulated into the microcomputers. So every personal computer is a microcomputer. It has all the components used in a computer system. It has a monitor to display the output. For input we have keyboards, mouse and printer for output. Means all type of peripherals can be available with the microcomputer. Second one is a mini computer. It is costliest, or its price or cost is more than the microcomputer. It is many. It uses the microprocessor input and output units rather than input and output units, but more faster than the microprocessors. It uses the transistors for manipulations, or we can say that it transfers the data from one component to another component. So it has the higher speed than microcomputer, but lesser than the mainframe computer. So third number is a mainframe computer. It is used to calculate, to manipulate or manipulate more data or inputted data than the microcomputer and mini computer. It is also hold the different type of operating systems simultaneously. It has more store space than the micro and mini computers. It also used for multiple multitasking or multi-programming or multi-operating system that can be accessed by the computer, mainframe computer. thousands of computers can be attached or can be maintained by the mainframe computer. If you see the mainframe room of a banking or in a bank, there is always different type of computers attached with a single room, and that single room is called as a mainframe computer because it has the capability to manipulate or to control the more than the 1,000 computer or clients in a single system, or remote clients can be manipulated by the mainframe computers. And last one is a supercomputer. Supercomputer, the costliest computer, most expensive computer, and most vast amount of data can be maintained in a supercomputer. Different type of scientific research can be done in the supercomputer. The geographical mapping can be done, military work, missile work, this can be done in the supercomputer only. All these types of data can be manipulated, or versatility can be there. The microcomputer has a MIPS or million instruction per second, can be maintained by microcomputer and mainframe computer, but the measuring power or calculating power of supercomputer can be done in a nanosecond or in a picosecond. The speed of particular supercomputer has measured in nanosecond or picosecond. Means because in a picosecond the instructions can be manipulated and converted the data into the output, that is called information. The first supercomputer developed by India is Param 10,000. That computer is our first supercomputer developed by an Indian and at a Pune. Okay, so these are the classification or types of computers in the form of electronic, application and size. According to electronic, analog, digital and hybrid. According to application, general purpose and special purpose. According to size, micro, mini, mainframe and supercomputers. So these are the classification or types of computer according to specific purpose. Next one, the second topic is application of computers. Here application means not the software. Here application means the use of computer in a different sectors or various sectors. Different type of sectors can be maintained or use the computer system. Just like in a business, making the payroll, making the attendance sheet, making sales analysis, management, making taking a control on a particular department, all work can be done using the computers. The payment sheet can be manipulated or calculated using the payroll system, and all these things can be done by the computers. Second one, banking. Today's banking is in your hand due to the computer. Your account can be accessible by computer system like mobile system. We can access all the things, or we can access all our accounts using the computers or using the phones. We can withdraw, we can deposit, we can make a fixed deposit, we can transfer money by computer system or by the mobile. Therefore, in banking system, we also make the use of computers. In insurance, all companies or insurance companies should update their data daily, because making the policies, due date of policies, maturity, installment, then particular repayment, redemption, all things can be done in daily basis. This can be hectic work for in a manual system, but this all work can be done by the computers in a frequent or in a fraction of seconds. In education, just like this year, all the work or all the educational or learning process is done on a computer system, on our mobile or on the laptop or desktop, because due to the pandemic. Okay, so this type of work can be done in education also. Different type of students work on day-to-day work or learning work on your computer system. So in education also computers are necessary or use in marketing. We can in marketing computers are used to develop the banners, to develop or provide the information to the customers or beyond the customers. Home shopping, all these things can be done by use of the computers. We can take a site or we can visit on a particular site, watch the product and take buy or sell that product using the computer. So in marketing also computers are useful. In healthcare systems, just like hospitals, in hospitals we should maintain the record of patients, record of medicines, all types of pathology labs, all things or all work are done on the computer. Today we work everything or every sector uses the computer. Same as healthcare sector also use the computer system. In engineering design by using the CAD, just like infrastructure design, architecture design, these are can be done using the computer aided design software. So engineering design also done on the computers. Military, most important thing to transmit the data from one location to another, and that can be done by the networking, and networking uses the computer system. Military missiles, all controls, missile controls can be done using the computer systems. All different type of missiles has some password, and that passwords or initialization of that particular missiles can be done using the computer system. So military also use the computer system. Communication, most important part of our today's life, just like email, WhatsApp, Facebook, all other communication devices using the computers. To connect the society we use the computer system. We make the charts, web chats or post the videos, photos using the computer system. So communication also need the computer system. And last one, government. Different type of taxes can be calculated, manipulated or maintained by the government, and the people should pay that taxes also, and all these taxes can be paid online. Therefore, all policy makings and payment of taxes or all other decisions, the computer systems are essential for the government, and all these sectors are uses the computer system. Okay, so today we'll discuss about the classifications and application of computer system. In classification we have electronic principles, according to application and according to size. Different type of computers are there, and according to applications means uses of computer, each and every sector which are available in today's commercial world is use the computer system, and some of these are as business, banking, insurance, education, marketing, healthcare, engineering, military, communication and government. Thank you.